This is Ninad Raje, wherein I'm associated with HealthAssure. That's the organization name for the past 10 years now. Let me begin with providing you some background of our organization. The organization essentially deals in the primary healthcare ecosystem that caters to preventive segment and health and wellness for communities. Consider a scenario wherein someone needs day-to-day care, including home care, doctors, pharmacies, medicines, health checkups, care management services, you name it, and we should be able to provide it to you anywhere in India, even the remotest areas and cities and towns of India. In fact, we provide our services in more than 1,400 cities in India, which pretty much covers the entire length and breadth of India. We partner with more than around 4,500 medical centers and 7,500 other establishments related to medicine. Our services are considered to be gold standard within the entire healthcare ecosystem. The organization currently is growing at a tremendous pace of almost 20x year on year for the past decade or so, and catering to hundreds and thousands of customers, generating an astronomical millions of transactions on a daily basis. That's really humongous. With the COVID pandemic forcing a large number of staff to work from home, customer service and customer experience leaders, in fact, must ensure that the teams remain engaged, healthy, effective, and productive in their new working environment. We brought about and implemented several changes within the entire customer service ecosystem. Primarily, we obtained and deployed security-sensitive technology solutions for work at home options. We also adapted to e-learning and remote learning options, tools, and technology for effective ongoing support and training. In fact, our model revolves around providing timely and accurate services to our customers who actually need of medical attention, because we are into healthcare. Our customers primarily essentially are medical patients. We actually started with our team brought about much empathy, even better compassion in every conversation that we had with the customer. We were very flexible and creative in delivering our services, email reminders, and while packaging online orders and so on and so forth. We gave without any expectations in return. We made it personal. We really made it personal, remembering the fact that emotions are running very, very high, and we need to make them feel that they are not a number, but a person who may be scared, even stressed, anxious. So we actually connected with them on an emotional level rather on a business level. We taught ourselves to exceed expectations, go the extra mile, since we believed in it's the small things that make a big difference, small things, which eventually leads to a very large difference in customers. So this is the kind of management program, change management program that we brought about, and it really resulted and benefited us, not only us, but the customers at large as well. So, digital transformation probably is a buzzword that everybody kind of keeps talking about, but that's actually a reality, and every organization is going through it, and so did we as well. We, in fact, were very early adopters of digital transformation, and our digital footprint is quite widespread. In fact, what we have planned is we have started implementing and executing a market-changing digital innovation and transformation platform. And this is a very game-changing platform, This includes multiple mobility apps, real-time instantaneous tracking, and round-the-clock monitoring. It's kind of a homogeneous super sort of app, This also includes medical center discovery and real-time data analytics for all stakeholders within the ecosystem. In India itself, this platform will be integrated with more than 7,500 medical establishments in more than 1,400 cities. And this will be used by, millions and millions of doctors, customers, and any other stakeholders as well. Now, technologies that will be used in this digital innovation in coming years is, in fact, this year itself, will be, what we are talking about, specialized medical algorithms. We are currently in the process of developing those. There is sophisticated AI, which is going to be implemented. There is going to be AWS cloud. There are going to be like new age technologies like IoT and RPA. And then there will be a overlying sort of a module, which gives us the BI and analytics or a data lake sort of concept. Well, the way I would describe this is I'm in fact extremely bullish about the outlook for the healthcare industry, not just because of the COVID pandemic has given a huge boost to the healthcare industry, but more importantly and essentially because humankind has now suddenly taken notice of the age-old saying, we keep saying health is wealth. So, which is absolutely true now. I mean, everybody now knows health is something which is really good to have, not only good to have, but it is absolutely essential and primary for our well-being, for our existence itself. Moreover, with the rapid evolution in healthcare technology, this industry is absolutely poised for a tremendously astronomical growth. Healthcare industry will truly be the beacon for evolution, growth, and further existential sustenance. We are going to be talking about existing and further sustenance even beyond the evolution and growth. Evolution and growth will keep happening, I'm sure about it, but this is going to be, the healthcare industry is going to be absolute beacon for this entire process in the upcoming a couple of years, for sure. Because even if you talk about AI, RPA technology, you're talking about AI ops, ML ops, and so on and so forth. I think it is going to be really disrupting the entire healthcare ecosystem, the way we see it and the way we live within the entire gamut of technology around us. And healthcare is bang in the center of this entire evolution now. So that's what the outlook is for sure. Very, very extremely bullish. And I'm very, very sure and confident that healthcare is going to be reaching its the rightful pinnacle, zenith of all the industries in the upcoming years.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.